Microcoaxial technology is experts in many kinds of cable assembly and wiring harness manufacture. We produce high-quality cable assembly, such as fine microcoaxial cable assembly, EDP cable, LVDS cable, MOLEX cable, display cables, LCD cable, RF antenna cable, high-definition camera cable, which are widely used for LCD screen, industrial camera, laptop, tablet, PC, intelligent household appliances, machine vision, digital video camera, televisions, medical instrumentation, smart appliances, flight control systems, unmanned aerial vehicle, automobile instrumentation, industrial control equipment, educational electronics, test equipment, and so on. We currently occupy over 15,000 square feet of manufacturing facilities with over 80 employees. There are 2 full automatic microcoaxial cable assembly lines, 2 semi-automatic cable assembly lines, for full automatic terminal crimping machines and other cable assembly equipment. We use the most modern cable assembly equipment and utilize the latest technologies and techniques in quality control. Continuous internal innovations allow us to maintain flexible production schedules and results in increased OEM cable manufacturing capacity. Welcome to contact us to custom or OEM ODM.